Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting practical. Review your Roblox settings so you can explain what you want and why. Once done, choose a calm moment when your parent isn't busy and gather 2 clear reasons: time limits, a purchase, or friend requests. Next, open chat or approach them in person. Saying you have something quick to ask sets a respectful tone. Make sure your device and account info are ready so you can show exactly what you mean without fumbling. You explain the how and why. State the request precisely, extra game time, Robux, friend permission, or a privacy tweak, and give the reason. Then show proof, a screenshot of the item, exact price, or the in-game benefit so they see context. Offer compromises. Say you'll do chores, accept a time limit, or contribute money. This shows responsibility and makes it easier for them to say yes, because they understand both benefits and safeguards. You finalize by confirming terms. Agree on hours, spending caps, friend approvals, or how they'll supervise, and repeat them aloud to avoid misunderstandings. Once agreed, document it, send a quick text, or save settings together so both of you remember. If they say no, stay calm. Ask for reasons, propose a trial period or small compromise, and set a time to revisit. If problems continue, troubleshoot by offering proof of responsibility and suggesting incremental steps toward trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.